We are Team Blue Star from PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya, and today we are delighted to present our innovative prototype, Swachh Flow, a sensor for sewage monitoring.
Our project has been developed under the initiative of Viksit Bharat with the theme of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India.
Through this project, we aim to promote self-reliance in sanitation technology by developing a low-cost, efficient Indian solution for sewage monitoring.
In many cities and towns, sewage blockage go unnoticed until they causes foul smell, overflow and pollution. Realize that most of these problems begin when the water inside these pipes stop flowing. But there is no such automatic system that can detect that.
And that is why we have created Swachh, a sensor-based device that detects when water stops flowing in sewage pipes.
Realize that most of these problems begin when the water inside these pipes stop flowing. But there is no such automatic system that can detect that.
And that is why we have created Swachh, a sensor-based device that detects when water stops flowing in sewage pipes.
Switch flow continuously monitors the water flowing. When the water is flowing normally, it shows a green light. But when the water flow stops due to blockage in the sewage pipes, it immediately triggers a buzzer alarm.
The early detection helps us to prevent overflows and health hazards, which helps in keep our environment clean. The components of this model are Arduino, motion sensor, speaker, LED, etc.
The system is simple, low cost, and developed entirely using locally available products, therefore supporting the theme of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Flow supports the vision of self-reliant India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, where every innovation, small or big, contributes to a clean, sustainable and developed nation.
Future Swachh Flow can be upgraded for city levels and even for industries and rural sanitation network. With continued innovations, it helps India to achieve Swachh Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat together. To conclude, our project is a small step towards a big dream.
Swachh Flow, a clean flow for a clean and totally Atmanirbhar Bharat.